lady. She's doing delivery. That is most of the sideline job, part-time job of the working students here in Australia. I don't know how much they earn by doing that. Oh, yeah, train station, but we're not going there yet. Yeah, we'll keep on walking around here. Yo, I got some Filipino waiting for me somewhere in the Hungry Jack area. I hope that they can, I can put them in the video. Pakita kita. There's so many choices. May mga permit yung mga ganyan, di ba? Buti yung nagpa-vlog, walang permit. Irene? Oh, nice to meet you. Thank you. Si Ronald din eh. Sabi niya din kay Karen yung asawa niya. Si Ruby dyan sa harapan. Ano to? Bisikleta to?
Oo, lalagyan ng bisikleta.
Diyan yung lalagay?
Oo, diyan namin
Ay.
Kaya nga.
Bye. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, that's Louis, Mines, and yeah, thank you very much to them. Guys, it is now almost 10 o'clock and we're going to check out from this hotel. I have my bike ready. Yeah, we go. I didn't forget anything, I'm sure. Check. No, I didn't forget anything. I still have around 4 hours, so we're heading to the city center. There is an event going on that side. I don't know exactly, but it's something like a market. I don't know. Oh, nice. They have a little program here. Entertaining for sure. Looks like there's always a lot of people here any time of the day. Amazing. Yeah, I am thinking of where to eat. I just had that coffee this morning. It is already 10 o'clock. I just checked out from the hotel. Yeah, so maybe McDonald's, the comfort food. I would like to say thank you to the family of Louis Bryan and their daughter Maine. Yeah, yesterday we eat in the shabu shabu something, and it was nice. I was very full and satisfied with what I've eaten. Yeah, it was somewhere around in this area. Yeah, oh, nice. Bless you. So we're checking the breakfast that they have here. This is an Italian restaurant. She can see it's Milano, and they are yeah, they're expensive, man. We are at the moment having a breakfast. This is just bacon, egg, bread, toasted bread, tomato, spinach, and orange juice in this place. And we are ready to go. And at the moment, there is something like a Latin America, organization events that is happening here. Yeah, there's some small store selling different things. This is the program. Welcome by Ali Caicedo. Sa Colombia. Every city has something like this. They have in Dubai and Singapore and Belgium and Brazil, and yeah, in every places, in every city you're going to see something like this. A Paris wheel, London Eye in London. I don't know what they call here. Yeah, the name of this place is South Bank. This is the river, and this is the artificial beach that I'm telling you. Yeah, look at this. And this is how it is. As you can see, there are some people there. It is actually just looks like a swimming pool from this side, but if you actually look farther, you're going to see that those are like a normal sand. Yeah, beautiful. And this one is open for public. You don't need to pay anything. You just need to get there, swim as much as you like. And I heard yesterday that this one is also free to ride. You just need to hop in there and you'll go to the next station. Nice. We are still in the South Bank, and there is something like a food event going on the side. Yeah, there are wines and food. A lot of people are queuing in there. Aside from those food shop, there are restaurants in this street. There are so many. Yeah, it's really good to walk in here. I am really having fun seeing these things. It's really good. And look at that. It's not just that street, but there are more in here. But in here it's not just food. There are, stop decoration also on the side. Yeah. Brisbane is amazing. You should visit Brisbane because there are so many things to see and do in here. You know, we're going to the toilet and I'm going to leave the bike somewhere outside here. Yo, that's the police headquarters of the Queensland Police. And we are at the moment in the Roma Street. And this is actually the terminal, the station for the train, the buses that is going to, around the city, the suburbs, and also interstate train. Yeah, we're going to take the bus here, the Greyhound bus that is going to Sydney, actually Newcastle.